Now, have you ever found yourself deep in visualization and meditation and journaling and trying to conjure up the life of your dreams? Or maybe you're binge-watching manifestation videos. You're always optimistically pushing through the challenges with a glass half full attitude. Well, despite your best efforts, you still can't seem to create the reality that you desire. Well, it turns out that you may be missing the secret ingredient to the success in the law of attraction, which is self-love. So in a few minutes, I'm going to reveal to you why self-love is one of the main ingredients for manifestation. So keep watching. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down here so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, you may be wondering why self-love is important when it comes to manifestation. Well, because being a conscious creator, it requires you to believe that you can manifest the life of your dreams. Now, if you don't think that you're worthy of receiving this life, then you simply just won't get what it is that you want. So here are 3 ways to prove how self-love helps you to supercharge your manifestations. Now, self-love gives you the power to believe. Self-doubt is one of the most important mental blocks that's sabotaging your manifestations, and you may not even realize it. When you're too scared to believe in your manifestations, you might be thinking, well, what if it doesn't work out? What if I'm disappointed? And when you're in low frequency fear like this, it is impossible to create anything positive in your life. But when you truly love yourself, you're able to believe in your manifesting abilities and that your manifestations are on the way and that you are totally and utterly worthy of them all. Now, self-love gives you the power to surrender. Have you ever met one of those people who simply just ride the wave of unwavering confidence? Do you know what their secret sauce is to trusting life and letting things go into flow? Well, it's a very strong foundation of self-love. Now, the opposite of love is fear. And when you don't love yourself, you let fear dictate the outcome of your manifestations by trying to control them. So surrender your manifestations into the knowing that everything is happening in divine timing for your highest good and that everything is perfect exactly the way that it is. That's when you're truly open to receiving all of the blessings that the universe has in store for you. Now, self-love gives you the power to receive. Now, do you often feel paralyzed by the limiting belief that you're not worthy of having happiness and everything that you want in your life? Limiting beliefs are often signs that can either block us from receiving what our soul craves, or it can help us strengthen unconditional love for ourselves. So if you're uncomfortable receiving small things like a compliment or help from a friend, then you're most likely still struggling to let a greater amount of abundance into your life. So today I encourage you to release this block by simply saying thank you when someone pays you a compliment, or when a stranger opens the door for you, or when you receive a gift from a loved one. 2 small little words, but saying thank you is your way of saying to yourself and the universe that I am worthy of receiving. Now, when we make gratitude a part of our daily lives, we put ourselves in the perfect energy field to receive more love and more abundance. So to help you to manifest what you want faster, so whether you're a newbie in the law of attraction or a very skilled manifestor, I want to invite you to master the foundations of manifesting and then finally attract the life that you desire. So whether you're a newbie at the law of attraction or a skilled manifestor, I'm confident that my best-selling system can help you harness the power of the law of attraction, even if nothing else has worked up until now. So it's called LOA 101. Now, it's the only course that you'll ever need to get its power on your side, so that you can become a master of manifesting unlimited success and abundance and complete bliss, regardless of what your external circumstances are. So go to the link in the description box to get it right now.